am so honored to have the privilege of participating in the Arts and Humanities programming in Kentucky, specifically the Primetime Family Readers Programming, where we teach the art of being human in an inhumane society. We look at what's it like to tell the truth and whose truth is the real truth, or what's it like when you're having a bad day, what to do about it, or even what's it like when you play tricks on people, the results, the consequences, or looking at America and some of the cultural challenges we've had racially. So learning the legacy of being humane in an inhumane society and sharing strategies of how to be a better human. That's what I love about Kentucky.